Okay. Good thing. This will be the elevator at the Comfort Inn at Splash Lagoon. This is the older style series one, but some of the buttons were replaced. Number one. This doesn't have the certificate, so I don't know when it was installed. There's an old phone.
I know I have my hands full.
You know, I don't remember this being on here earlier today, and I just did this like a couple hours ago, and all of a sudden this is up here.
I'm surprised this one and the other.
So that's weird. They're doing this on all the elevators
This
now?
must be an Otis Series 1. It's an older version, right? Because of the
Yes.
fixtures here.
Alright. Yep. This is weird. That phone. We looked at that earlier.
That's the old fellow. Instrument.
They put advertisements on all of the elevators here.
Here's the bowling ad. Wow.
No, that we just did that.